Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a free tool from Poper, the A/B Test Performance Estimator. Poper is an AI-powered on-site engagement platform that helps you build high-converting pop-ups, widgets, and interactive gamified experiences like Spin the Wheel, Candy Crush, Fruit Ninja, and more, no coding needed. Now let's explore the A/B Test Performance Estimator. This tool helps you compare different versions of your campaigns like pop-ups, emails, ad campaigns, or landing pages, and see which one performs best using real data. To access it, simply search on Google for A/B Test Performance Estimator by Poper.ai. You can also find the link in the video description below. So, what exactly does this tool do? It compares a control version, your original, with one or more variants that you're testing. Here's what each term means. Control, your original version, the one you're testing everything else against. Variant, the new version you want to compare to the control. Impressions, the number of times each version was shown. Conversions, the number of people who took action, like signed up or clicked. Using this data, the tool calculates three key metrics. Conversion rate, the percentage of visitors who converted. Uplift, percent, how much better or worse the variant did compared to the control. Confidence level, percent, how sure we are that the difference is real, not random. How to use it. Enter the impressions and conversions for your control version. For example, your original pop-up control was shown 1,000 times and 50 users signed up. Enter 1,000 impressions and 50 conversions. Add data for variant A. Let's say you tested a new pop-up headline, variant A, and it got 1,200 impressions with 72 conversions. Add data for variant B. Now imagine you tested a version with a gamified design, variant B, and it received 1,100 impressions and 80 conversions. Click Calculate Results. The tool will analyze all variants against your control and show you which one performed best. Here's what each result means. Conversion rate shows the percentage of users who converted. For example, control 5%, 50 out of 1,000. Variant A 6%, 72 out of 1,200. Variant B 7.27%, 80 out of 1,100. Uplift, percent, this tells how much better or worse each variant performed compared to the control. Variant A plus 20% uplift. Variant B plus 45.4% uplift. These numbers show how much the conversion rate increased over the control. Confidence level, percent, this tells how likely it is that the difference is real and not just by chance. A 96% confidence level means there's a 96% chance that variant B truly performs better than the control, and only a 4% chance that the improvement is just a random fluke. If your confidence level is below 90%, it might mean the difference between versions isn't big enough. You need more data, more impressions or conversions. You can be fairly sure your variant truly performs better. What if your conversion rate is too low? If your conversion rate is lower than 2%, it may be time to rework your copy to make it clearer or more compelling. Improve your visual design or layout. Add urgency or incentives like discounts or limited time offers. Try engaging formats like gamified experiences. Test new CTAs or reduce friction in your form. This tool is perfect for e-commerce brands testing offers or layouts. SaaS teams improving onboarding flows. Marketers optimizing pop-ups, emails, or CTAs. So that's the A/B Test Performance Estimator, a fast, free way to make smarter marketing decisions. Try it now, the link is in the description. If you found this tool helpful, give this video a like, share it with your team or fellow marketers, and don't forget to subscribe to Poper's channel for more powerful tools and tips. And don't forget to check out our full suite of free tools designed to help you boost engagement and conversions. See you in the next one.